Okay, guys, so as I told you earlier, no, Ejami getting ready. Eko Kwakuni Inshura School. Yes, I'm saying AU Day. And Namakudru Honum, no. And crying dressy beautifully in African way. Yes, or momo, babe, perform my na madam, say, mommy, jihag, or Nikoku, eba min chance, and almost started. Yes, it's madam the bar stage first. And then yasaketwa honne. The performance no, and the classmates no. It was beautiful. Obesere. They had fun. It was fun. African Union Day. If you don't come early, I'm not going to talk to you. Asema inshaka chairman and day. Hey, madam. On any body. Oh, John in chair Alvira. So we are here. African Union Day today at my kids' school, and I was so happy say me koye enya saketwa enye performances kitwa nkray. Yes, yeah. So you can see the beautiful African flags displayed. Oh yes. Enjoy some beautiful performances from these beautiful kids. Yes. But when you swak on huma kakra na nchi bia yebekọ brass so kokuso so ebe display ni de. And also in the friends, the classmates a display omo de after insuramo a year omo de no. And chena kokumoba. So you can see omo outfit no red, gold, green. Yes. Oh yeah. As unto Anisha. Hey. Oh, I enjoyed myself today. I had fun. Share as an obedient nam left to be so dear. Yeah. That's my babies. So now to me a wine wasted. So after Inshuramo performance now, I took a picture with her. Inti afena Kwaku so dear I started. Na Kwaku be on my actress. Everybody for radio. So that's Kwaku also performing with his friend Omo Kontokwa na Oma Babe Pata Omo. I think that was the whole concept. Yes, na mebano of Ferry entertainment prefect Oma me actress. Kwaku. He's the shy type, but at the end of the day they were able to tell us what they wanted to tell us through their performances. Yes, so this was how I spent my day at my kids' school today. I hope you enjoyed this lovely video.